Wow, look at that. Damn. What? Unbelievable. Welcome, bro, to Young Studio 4D, my beautiful, amazing YouTube channel. Today, I have something useful for you. If you editing videos on your iPhone and you use Adobe Premiere Rush, today I want to show you how to import your files from your beautiful computer, your beautiful PC to your phone and edit in Rush, Premiere Rush. Okay, this is not simple. It's so difficult to to do this. I have mixed many search to find this, and glory to Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for that. Let me show you. Get ready. This is my computer. This is my phone. This is my USB Lightning. Okay, this is not a joke. It's real. Okay. First of all, look at this is thank you. This is free tools. Tools to transfer iPhone files. Okay, nice. Now unlock your phone. Look at what I have here. I have Ratch, Premiere Ratch. Okay, no problem. I also AS File Explorer. This is what you need to have to do what I want to show you right now. Okay, wonderful. Now look at you have Ratch. Open Ratch, Premiere Ratch, and you can see create. Okay, click on plus. For example, if you want to add media, you have so many options. If you have videos on your camera roll, you can take your video directly here. If you have something here on videos, you can do this the same action, but I'm talking about import file from your computer or external storage. Okay, this is what I want to show you. You have here now file. When you click on file, you can see import from files. Click on this. Now look at what you have. Now look at what you have here. You have iCloud Drive. If you have videos on iCloud Drive, you can take your video directly here. But this is not the thing I want to show you. To do this, you need to upload your videos in the internet. After this, take this here it's not easy. It's not easy. This is why I decided to change everything for you. Now look at here. You can see on my iPhone. Okay, on my iPhone is here also. On my iPhone you have on my iPhone here iCloud Drive on my iPhone. Okay, let me delete everything now. Nothing inside, no folder, nothing. Recent delete. Okay, now delete now. Let me delete all of this thing quickly. Delete. Okay, delete and delete. Nice. Now clean. Nothing is good. Okay, now close this and welcome. Go back on my iPhone now. Nothing. As you can see, you can put folder your files and folder here and take this file directly here. Okay, this is good. Now let me show you to take your files from Explorer to put on alright. You can do this. Let me show you what you can do. Click on edit to make AS File Explorer appear here. Now click on and done. Now it's here. You can enter and take the file that you want to take. Okay, but you cannot file. What can you do? Let me show you to see if it's working first. What you need to do right now, connect your USB lightning to your phone. As you can see, it's connected. And when you go on AS Explorer, you can see iTunes files. As you can see iTunes files. You can see step number 1, step number 2, and step number 3. you can see art. Okay, nice. I want to do the same thing with another software like free tools. Is better. Let me open this, double click, and welcome back. I have apps, okay, applications. I have AS File Explorer. Click on View from AS File Explorer. Now you can see the folder with the application and its folder. You can see here new folder. Click on new folder. Enter what you want. Okay, enter what you want and click on enter, and you have this a new folder. Okay, now let's take the file, the media that you want to import with all of your files. Okay, for example, I have two videos here. Take all of this and put this into this folder. Now click on OK. As you can see, your videos are in this folder. What can you do? Let me show you again. Where I have another videos that I want to take. The first is here, and we see 2 GB. Now put all of this directly in the same folder. We see like how you import your files. Let me wait a few minutes for finishing. Don't disconnect your phone. Okay, and get ready. Wait a few minutes again. Almost finished. Okay, 98%, 99, and it's okay. Now when it's finished, click on OK, and well done. Well done. Let's see if this file is on my phone. As you can see, you have route. Okay, when you click on AS file, nothing, no file here, nothing, nothing, and nothing, nothing. Okay, no problem. If this folder appear in here on AS file like that from what? From Raj, Premier Raj. Okay, if it's folder appear for on directly on Premier Raj, when you do this, it's good for you. You can start record. You can start open and select what you want and edit your videos with the file. But here, as you can see, nothing. What can you do via second options? First of all, click on iTunes files, iTunes file. Click on this. Now look at what you have here. Down your files that you are creating from your PC. Do you believe this? Jesus is out. Look at open, and what look at what you have inside all of your files. Let's verify. Let's verify. Okay, the same thing, the same thing, the same thing. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? And beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, now what can you do? This is simple. Go back and get ready. Look at, you have AS file here on Premier Roach. You are also on my phone. Okay, you can see on my phone AS File Explorer, and on this you have this. Can you see this? You can open and select what you want directly. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? Do you believe this? Okay, let me disconnect this USB for my computer right now. Okay, no one, no one, no. Close your mouth. Look at that. Okay, as you can see, now you can see I have files, and on you can see on my iPhone you have just a shortcut, something like that, to enter to your beautiful AS file. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? How is working? Height now. Now, as you can see, go back, redraw the same action, okay, and now let's do it. Click on plus from Adobe Premiere Rush and click on add media. Click on what? When you click on wall, you can take your videos, but I want to take the import video from my computer. Okay, now you know. Click on file, click on import files, import from files. Now go back, you can see normally all of this. I don't want to use iCloud Drive, I want to use AS File Explorer, but the folder for my PC here is not appear. What can I do? Need to go back and click on my phone because it's appear here. Okay, this is in the case you see the folder here. If you don't see the folder here on my phone just like that, what can you do? You need to do this by yourself. Okay, you come here on AS File, AS Explorer, and go on iTunes file. And what can you do? You need to select this folder, okay, or you can select all of these fields. You feel what you want to transfer, select this folder in my case, and you can see here move. Click on move, and you can see move on what? On all of this. You can see on my iPhone, and you can put this inside. Okay, put this inside. As you can see, it's always on this folder. You cannot do this again. This is why it is not appear. Now look at, no, go back. Let's see on my on my phone directly from right, and look at that. Is appear, the file appear. You have all of your files appear here. Now what can you do? This is simple. You can select what you want, import another file, the file number 2 and file number 3. Now you are import your file from your beautiful and amazing computer. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? How is possible? This is what I'm talking about. Now you can click, you can enter something like that, project. Okay, G test. Okay, now return and click on create. Nice. You can see edit in 4K for free, upgrade to explore. Okay, if you want to edit in 4K, you need to upgrade this thing. Now let me do something like that, like that, like that. Okay, beautiful. And now what you have here, you have file number 1, file number 2, and file number 3 here. Do you believe this? Do you believe this? This is what I'm talking about, and you can start editing your videos. Remember, if you want to edit 4K videos, you need absolutely to have the premium version. Okay, thank you. Now look at what I have here. All of my files appear here just like that, and I can start work. Make video editing, something like that, easily. Do you believe it? Do you believe it? This is what I'm talking about. And now you are ready to take your PC file that to put directly here, or your internal storage, your SD card, and put directly in your phone and do what you want to do right now. Okay, nice. It's so beautiful. This is a great job. Okay, thank you for watching. I also got to enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and get ready for more videos. When you finish the job and you want to delete the file, this is simple. Come here, iTunes file, open, and select all of this, or you can do this. Okay, so you can do select all, and you have delete. You can delete all of this. You can also rename. Okay, rename what you want. Okay, it's possible. Rename. Okay, change everything just like that. Okay, thank you for watching. I also hope you enjoyed this video. And what? Get ready for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And God bless you all. I love you. Thank you, Jesus. Ha ha ha. This phone is amazing for video editing. Also, do you believe this? Damn.